So sorry for my voice. So for this game, we said before the game that always cup game it's not amazing to see. It will be tactical game. I think for our playing for the first half, we was playing 5-3-2 and we try to block. We know on Sundowns they try always to play to pass between the lines. So for that we try to block them. And I think for the first half, they don't make only one situation. It was when we miss pass, and they make fast attack. And for us, the problem it was in the first half that when we recover the ball, we lose immediately the ball. We don't keep the ball. So for that, it was tough for us to run to recover the ball. That you have to restart. The plan of the game it was when we recover the ball, we have to use the deep. If we don't find solution in the deep, that we have to keep the ball. I think we managed very well the first half. We was unlucky, when you concede goal in the last minute free kick, it's very difficult. Mentally, it's very difficult. Always the goal when we start or in the last time, it's mentally difficult for the team. But I have to say congratulations and for all our players, they deserve. They proved that mentally they was very strong. And in the second half, we discussed with the players that we try to correct some mistake when we recover the ball. And to be honest with you, we was so sure that our players they was 100% ready to make reaction in the second half. We scored. We was lucky. We scored when we start the second half. Dubai give us more confidence, and then I think the game it was 50-50 between us and them. It was always the ball in the middle. We defend very well, and we get opportunity for fast attack. And then last minute, I think Ashley was also lucky. Ashley last minute, we scored the second goal, and I have to say congratulations for the fans, for the board, for all the players. They deserve today.
Staff technique.
Technical bench
You,
also, and also
Elias, un goalkeeper, il fait beaucoup de travail, c'est pas facile.
myself,
Cédric Kaizer, on souhaite aussi.
Ili-
Yes, please.
Ilyes, goalkeeper coach, Masdi fitness coach, very good job. I think one of the negative point last year is we saw that's the fitness of the team. It was always problem. I think all the game now we played the 90 minutes and more than 90 minutes we can continue. And also our assistant coach Cedric, as you know that he have a small problem and he gets surgery this week. And we have to say it's gift for him also because he's one of us.